Meaning of dejected.
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 Dejected. The word dejected refers to a feeling of being sad, disappointed or depressed due to a recent failure or loss. People who are dejected often exhibit a lack of confidence and energy and may withdraw from social activities. They may also display physical symptoms such as slumped posture and slow movements. The cause of dejection can come from many sources such as personal setbacks or unmet expectations. It is important for individuals experiencing dejection to seek support from friends and family, and to engage in activities that can help lift their spirits.